Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. LINK has really not done much in the last few days, and it looks nearly as if some kind of a triangle might be forming here. Either way, we don't really have enough waves for a triangle to consider a triangle, but both potentials are still valid, the white count and the yellow count. In the white count, I'd like to see a C wave to the downside, reaching $14.68 next, but there's definitely potential for the structure still to morph and to transform and possibly even rally in the yellow count before the larger wave 2 pullback is unfolding. The reason is we haven't broken below the A wave low. So I need a break below the $16.26 level to suggest really that this C wave is unfolding, to really confirm it. At the moment we have 3 waves down. I'm going to zoom in a minute, but yeah, if anybody's new here on the channel, the idea is that we have a wave 1 to the upside in 5 waves from the June low. The highest probability element of this rally is definitely done. And I'm now watching for a pullback. I can tell you that for a wave 2 correction, it's not coming down deep enough at this stage. So it might be something different. And looking at the 4-hour chart, I mentioned to you that I really need a break below this low, which is the $16.25 low, to confirm that this C wave is really unfolding. It at the moment is a 3-wave move down. It could still develop into, that C wave, or maybe it's unfolding, but it's not crystal clear. I mean, from a micro count point of view, I've got a 1-2 set up here. This could be another 1-2, 3, okay, then possibly a 4 and a 5. Oh well, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, this third would need to sit here. 4, 5. I mean, that's how it could send us down. But please be aware that these micro counts are very, very fragile always. I'll take the orange zone out. That might just confuse. So 1, 2, and then another 1, 2, 3. This is very messy here. But it's possible that this third is still in the making. Then a 4th and a 5th. This is how I would like to see it, actually. I will change my perspective if there's a break above the last high at $19.30. But what exactly it is, it still has to reveal itself. I'm tracking the potentials here. Okay, I'm tracking the potential of a C wave to the downside, which should reach at least the 100% extension level of the A wave. If that white wave count is correct, we should get there. But in parallel, I mean, it's possible, for example, that this B wave never finished and is unfolding as a triangle. So there are many potentials here again, but I need a break below that low to really confirm the onset of that C wave. Until then, yeah, I mean, it's technically possible that the yellow count is playing out, and the next rally could be a 3rd wave, and then it would need to start from here. So there's a very clear invalidation point for the yellow count as well, which is that $16.25 low. So if you're trading for the long side, it might be interesting to set a stop below $16.25. Which one it is, not entirely clear at this stage, because the rally was in 3 waves, the move down as well. So LINK is a bit in no man's land. I know it's very boring. It's basically just in a sideways consolidation. But we have the clear breakout points. I mean, to the downside, it's $16.25. And also you have the next support levels clearly defined, $14.68, $13.53. And then there's some confluence around $12.80, which could be the completion for wave 2 there because of confluence, but we'll see. And then the to the upside, obviously, a break above that, yeah, $19.30 level pretty much, would shift probabilities probably towards the yellow count, and a break above the $20.72 level even further. But the thing is, even then, it could just be a B wave extension. So that's also possible. There are many options that could apply. I can only tell you that really crystal clear definition of the C wave that is unfolding, confirmation, would be a break below $16.30, and we haven't seen that yet. Until then, we have to be prepared for further transformations of this micro count. That's my update about LINK. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.